Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today you're going to learn how to play Fortnite on your Android phone. So it's pretty easy. First of all, you must go to your web browser and write fortnite.com. So you're going to get into this web page and now you're going to make click on the three horizontal lines on top of your screen. And now there's a new menu. You're going to find mobile and you're going to click on it. So there you have different devices. So you're going to choose Android. And now may click on download now. So there's going to be a message like this that is going to appear. You have to download it. I'm going to download it again. Now you have to open that file and may click on install. This is installing right now. It's making its process. The app is installed. Some security scan is going to come over here. And after several seconds, you must click on open at the bottom of your screen. Now this is the app that you're going to get. There you have different games. All you have to do is go to Fortnite and may click on get. And now in install. And when you have done that, you are going to be able to play Fortnite on your Android phone.